Imagine waking up to a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also packs a punch of nutrients. Today, we're crafting some delightful whole grain pancakes topped with creamy Greek yogurt and vibrant fresh fruits. As we mix the batter, remember that whole grains are a fantastic source of fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you satiated longer. As the sun reaches its zenith, lunchtime beckons. We're creating a dish that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate: quinoa and black bean stuffed bell peppers. As we scoop the hearty filling into the hollows of the bell peppers, bear in mind that quinoa is a complete protein, providing all the essential amino acids. Paired with fiber-rich black beans, this meal is a nutritional powerhouse. As the day slowly winds down, dinner time greets us. Tonight, we're firing up the grill for a juicy steak, accompanied by crispy sweet potato fries and tender green beans. As we savor the mouth-watering aroma of the grilling steak, remember that lean meats are an excellent source of protein, while sweet potatoes offer a host of vitamins and minerals, and green beans provide dietary fiber. And of course, a healthy lifestyle isn't all about food. After enjoying these nourishing meals, consider stepping outside for a brisk walk or a hike. As you breathe in the fresh air and take in the sights and sounds of nature, remember that physical activity plays a crucial role in overall health, boosting mood, improving cardiovascular fitness, and helping maintain a healthy weight. In summary, today we've prepared 3 wholesome meals: whole grain pancakes for breakfast, quinoa and black bean stuffed bell peppers for lunch, and grilled steak with sweet potato fries for dinner. Each meal brings together a variety of nutrients, supporting overall health and wellness, while also tantalizing the taste buds. And by incorporating physical activity into the day, we're promoting a balanced lifestyle that's as enjoyable as it is healthy. So until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of nutritious foods, and remember, health is wealth.